Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Today I am making a super quick and cheesy egg bread sandwich. Something you can make anytime when you are feeling hungry but don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and loaded with cheesy, spicy flavors. And the best part, you don't need any special ingredients, just a few simple things from your kitchen and you are good to go. This is perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. So let's make the recipe. First I am cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Now I am adding chopped onion 2 tablespoons. This gives a nice crunch. 2 chopped green chilies and fresh coriander leaves. Half teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now I will mix everything really well. Make sure the yolk and the white part fully combine and all the vegetables are evenly mixed. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Next, I am taking 2 bread slices. I will cut them into small pieces. Now I will heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat slightly, but don't make it too hot. Now I am pouring the egg mixture into the pan. At this stage, I will immediately place the bread pieces on top, pressing them gently so they stick with the egg. I will keep the flame on low, so it cooks slowly and evenly. You will see the egg starting to set from the edges. Once the bottom turns golden and firm, I will carefully flip it. Now on the cooked side, I am spreading some tomato ketchup. Then adding mozzarella cheese. You can add as much as you like. And a little oregano for that nice aroma. Now I will fold it gently. Keep the flame low here too, so the cheese melts nicely without burning. I will cook it for a few more seconds until everything comes together. And yes, the cheesy egg bread sandwich is ready. Crispy outside, soft and cheesy inside, super quick and perfect for any time. This is one of those recipes that's super simple but tastes absolutely amazing. Quick to make but full of flavor. Perfect for those days when you want something homemade without spending too much time. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.